precision, when we look at the centers of excellence across the country, there isn't one capability when it comes to machining that we are not able to support. We have all the machining capabilities, whether it's milling or turning, tube bending, or gun drilling, any complex machining capability. We now have the ability to do complex forming. So as a combined unit across the enterprise, it allows us to become much more vertically integrated. And at the end of the day, we want to be the one-stop. We want to be able to provide our customer a solution. Our customer is challenging us every day to invest in that next capability. We want to listen to our customer. We want to offer them the best solution to their needs. And when we look across our organization, we align very well. There's a lot of synergies across our locations. We share a lot of best practices. We work together to bring out the best in each of our facilities and our teams. I'm proud of what we're building.